bet she can't wiggle like that if you stick it in her. Have a motor booty contest and pick a winner. Was she running?
There, she is Justa.
Ah, both Lithuanians dancing?
Not much. I don't know. I think she feel a little bit.
If you feel unhappy at this life moment, so probably because of two reasons. Number one is you are not approaching girls, you're not adding new girls to your life. And the second is you are not adding new people in your life, I mean males. So that's why it's really good for you to take your luggage, prepare your luggage, and take Alphamantraining or fly to just to do training, any training, just to add new people in your life.
Yeah. And you need always to have some free money which you can use, you know, like. Because look, does your mom, dad, relatives want you to get laid with girls? No.
No. Does your girlfriend wants to that you will fuck other girls? No. Does what people want you that you will have total freedom? No. Just Alphamantraining.
Yeah.
Just we want that you will be super free, super confident, and super rich.
And you know what?
Others, they will want to control you.
Yes,
Because they don't want to face with false emotions. Oh my God, he's having such a lot of people in his life, a lot of people supporting him. He has a lot of girls, he has a lot of sex, and I don't have that.
Yeah.
Your friends doesn't want to face with false emotions. That's why they will always say to you, you're stupid, but you're going to Alphamantraining. That's why our clients, they never say it to their friends, to their families, to their relatives about post-training, about Alpha. It's secret, and they never face with that problem.
Yeah, but there will be also other problems that Alphamans will have. It's about, you know, that other guys will be jealous always, and they will want to fight with you. Or
like other guys will be jealous until that, you know, how other people can manipulate you when they know information. What are you doing?
no.
When you are in secret,
Yeah.
they don't understand. Okay, he talks to a girl, but I cannot hear what he talks to a girl, and what he's doing, what his agenda is,
Yeah.
what people he has around himself. So those guys cannot do nothing.
Also, I can say a story from yesterday. I danced with 3 girls
Yeah.
in the club. I just approached them. They like me, and then from somewhere one guy just come to me and he's like making joke for me behind me, like, you know, moving and touching me,
Yeah.
and he don't understand how I dance with them.
Yeah. What you
Got
did
jealous,
to those girls? Exactly.
Got jealous.
Got jealous.
Yeah, so that's
So that's why always in your life you need guys who are social ninjas, who understands what we're doing. Like in your situation.
yeah, and I think many occasions was like that, you know.
Yeah.
So okay, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Small.
She from New Orleans. It's been a while, more than 10 years past. When you close your eyes, you can still see a stash. My mama used to dance like that, bouncing her butt with her hands on her back. I saw grandmama do it.